I think I messed up. I never knew heart sounds could reveal so much. Let's break it down. When you hear the lub sound, that's the first heart sound, or S1. It's your atrioventricular valves, the mitral and tricuspid, snapping shut as your heart starts to contract or enter systole. Then comes the dub sound, known as the second heart sound, or S2. This happens when your semilunar valves, the aortic and pulmonary, close at the end of that contraction phase, beginning diastole. So next time you listen to a heartbeat, remember, lub marks the start of the squeeze and dub signals the end. Simple, right? Keep practicing, future doctors. Remember, understanding these sounds is just one step closer to mastering cardiology. Keep listening and learning, and